Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra leaked firmware suggests Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chipset. Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is anticipated to be announced early next year. While the company has not yet confirmed the existence of the next Galaxy S lineup, a new leak has suggested the chipset of the new Ultra flagship. It is said to come with Qualcomm's next-generation flagship chipset. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is tipped to ship with Android 16-based One UI 8.5. It is expected to be launched alongside the Galaxy S26 Pro and Galaxy S26 Edge models. Samsung could stick with Qualcomm for its Galaxy S26 Ultra. Folks at Samobile spotted details about the chipset and operating system of the Galaxy S26 Ultra in leaked One UI firmware. The firmware leak references PMK8850, which is believed to be the model number for Qualcomm's upcoming chipset. Since the Galaxy S25 Ultra used the Snapdragon 8 Elite with model number 8750, the PMK8850 is likely to be associated with its successor, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2. The PMK prefix in the codename could indicate that this is a custom Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 for Galaxy variant. The firmware leak also suggests that the Galaxy S26 Ultra will ship with Android 16-based One UI 8.5. Qualcomm will likely announce the Snapdragon 8 Elite to SoC in September this year. It remains uncertain whether Samsung will equip the other two Galaxy S26 models with its in-house Exynos 2600 chipset or opt for the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 SoC. Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is set to be unveiled alongside the Galaxy S26 Pro and Galaxy S26 Edge models. The brand is set to discontinue the Standard and Plus variants next year. The Ultra variant is tipped to come with 16GB RAM, a 5500 mAh battery, and an IP68 rated build for dust and water resistance. It is tipped to feature a 6.9-inch display. As per past leaks, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could feature a 200-megapixel ISOCELL HP2 camera sensor. The camera setup could also include a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle sensor alongside a 12-megapixel telephoto sensor and a 50-megapixel periscope sensor. It is tipped to come with the next-generation ProVisual engine.